Hi, my name is Roger Baghdasarians. I was born and raised in Iran, but I spent half of my life in LA. So I could say probably I was partially raised in the United States. I like to spend time with my daughter as much as I can. My second hobby is playing poker, and third is watching scientific movies. I've been with Infiniti over 23 years. I've been with Glendale INFINITI for about 8 years. The good thing with Glendale INFINITI, it's a local, private-owned dealership. We have excellent selections of the cars, and we're close to Valley, Pasadena, San Diego, LA, so you can get to us from anywhere within probably half an hour, 45 minutes. If you allow me, I can use my expertise and experience and make sure to find you your desired car with the best possible deal.